An adjective phrase is a powerful tool in our language, allowing us to add depth and detail to our sentences. It's a group of words that acts like an adjective, modifying a noun or pronoun. Think of it as a way to paint a more vivid picture in the reader's mind. For example, consider the sentence, "The dog with the fluffy tail barked loudly." Here, with the fluffy tail, is an adjective phrase that tells us more about the dog. It's not just any dog, it's a dog with a fluffy tail, which adds a layer of imagery and specificity. Let's dive into some more examples. The movie filled with suspense kept me on the edge of my seat. In this case, filled with suspense modifies the noun movie. It tells us what kind of movie we're talking about, enhancing our understanding and anticipation. Another example could be, "She wore a dress made of silk." Here, made of silk is the adjective phrase that modifies dress. It gives us insight into the quality and texture of the dress, making it more appealing in our minds. Now, let's look at a more complex example. The teacher with the bright smile inspired her students. In this sentence, with the bright smile modifies teacher. It highlights a specific characteristic that makes this teacher memorable and engaging. So, how do you identify an adjective phrase in a sentence? A good tip is to look for a group of words that answers the questions, what kind, which one, or how many. If you can find a phrase that provides that extra detail about a noun or pronoun, you've likely found an adjective phrase. For instance, in the sentence, "The tall building near the park is my favorite," the phrase "near the park" modifies building, telling us exactly which building we're referring to. Let's try another one. The cake decorated with fresh strawberries was delicious. Here, so decorated with fresh strawberries is the adjective phrase that modifies cake. It not only describes the cake, but also makes it sound more appetizing. Remember, adjective phrases can also include modifiers. For example, in "The incredibly talented musician played beautifully," incredibly talented is an adjective phrase that modifies musician. It gives us a sense of the musician's skill level, making the statement more impactful. In summary, adjective phrases are essential for adding richness to our sentences. They help us convey more information and create vivid imagery. By identifying these phrases, you can enhance your writing and make your descriptions more engaging. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be spotting adjective phrases like a pro.